Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Access database. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to organize and manage your data efficiently, whether you're tracking inventory, managing contacts, or building custom business solutions. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and let it load completely. Once the software has fully loaded along with any existing data, you're ready to begin creating your new database. Look toward the top part of your screen and click on the File tab. This is your main hub where all the essential tools and options are located. It's the starting point for most major actions you'll take in Access. From the File menu, look for the New option. This is specifically where you can create a brand new Microsoft Access database from scratch. Click on New, and you'll see several template options appear. For our purposes, choose Blank Database from the options presented. This gives you a clean slate to work with, allowing you to structure your database exactly how you need it without any preset configurations getting in the way. Now, a database creation window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll give your database its identity. Enter the name you want for your database in the provided field. Choose something descriptive that reflects the data you'll be storing. Once you've entered the name, click on Create. Give Access a moment to process this, and you'll soon be presented with a clean and blank database where you can add in your data and start building your structure. You'll notice a top header area where you can add in various fields to structure your data. These field types include short text for brief entries, number for numerical values, large number for bigger calculations, currency for monetary amounts, date and time for timestamps, a yes or no condition for binary choices, lookup for drop-down selections, rich and long text for detailed descriptions, attachment for files, and hyperlink for web addresses. If you already have data organized elsewhere, you can also paste fields directly from an external data source, which can save you considerable time. Now, to assign specific data types to your fields, right-click on the Table tab at the bottom of your screen. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this table, so choose something that clearly identifies what data it contains. Once that's done, you can assign data types to each field you've created. Your options include short text, long text, number, large number, date and time, currency, auto number which automatically generates sequential numbers, yes or no condition, hyperlink, attachment, or calculated fields which perform automatic calculations based on other fields. And that's it. You've successfully created a Microsoft Access database and set up your first table with properly defined fields and data types. You're now ready to start entering and managing your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.